Now we've completed our inspection. Let's do a little bit of touch up to it before we submit it. So when you get to the last topic down here in the bottom, you're going to see a submit button. And what we want to do is we want to go back to the underhood topic, and we want to add a note to the air filter topic, so we can go ahead and scroll through there now. And on this section here right now, number 3, what I want to do is add some more information here. And I'm going to put in the shop eyes only area here. I'm going to tap on it, and I'm going to use my voice to text. This air filter has a squirrel has been nesting in the housing. Please add 0.3 to the labor time to clean it out and get all the debris out of the case, period. So using your voice to text is going to really help you out a bunch. I'm going to hit the next button. We don't need to retake the picture on it, so we're going to leave that alone. We're going to go down to the cabin air filter, and we're going to add another note here. We're going to expand on the customer note here. You should increase your frequency of replacing this filter. Every 4 months when we see this, it's an extremely poor condition, period. So again, the technician is in a great place to add information here. I'm going to go down and pretend that on the transmission fluid that I needed to add a service writer note here. I will clean this off. We need to monitor it on future visits to see if the stains come back. If they do, then it will be time for service, period. If you want to estimate it now, the parts list will be below. New paragraph. 1 transmission pan gasket with filter. New line. 5 quarts of transmission fluid. New paragraph. Estimated labor time, 1 hour, period. So we're just kind of using this as a way to give the service writer information. So a lot of times we'll recommend spark plugs. We forget about the plenum gasket and things like that. So give that service writer a list so that way they can go through there. After you've went through and made all your adjustments here, go to where it says under vehicle again. That'll be the last section of it. Press the submit inspection and press yes. It's going to ask you for your out mileage, and I'm going to press yes to accept what I have in there. And then it's going to move it off of your active screen into the idle section. If you have more work to do on this vehicle, if you go ahead and press that idle section and tap on it, you can reactivate it and go right back to work on finishing up the rest of the repair order as needed. I'd like you to get to that point, and you've seen that marker popped up on the side there, and we'll continue after you finish this up on the next phase.